Hi, how are you? Can you tell me a joke? You can see if you say something and it will be automatically translate on your Samsung Galaxy Z Flip. So how to enable this option? Let's cut the phone and go to setting, then press on three dotted line, press on setting. Under setting you can see the call caption. Just enable this option. Once you enable, now let's make a call again to check. Now once he or she receive the call, you can see the CC. Now, hi, how are you? Yeah, I am fine. What about you? Enable call CC on your Samsung Galaxy Z Flip. You can see. So that's it. Thank you. Don't forget to thumbs up. Have a good day.